Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be making this potato hash brown. Really easy to prepare guys, and it's so delicious. It's so perfect for any time, for iftar. Now that we are fasting, it's just number one. So if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and join this family. So guys, let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to be peeling my two potato and then I'm going to grate it. Before starting with peeling, make sure you have your water just next to you so that when you finish, you dip your potato in the water, because if you leave it outside, it will get black. So we don't want black and white hash brown. So yeah guys, you have to dip in the water. Okay, now that we're done, we're going to be grating the potato using this smaller part of the grater, small holes, small whatever you call, to make sure your potato comes smaller. Okay, I'm done with grating. Now I'm going to be transferring this potato into a bowl of water again and set aside until we are ready to use. Okay, now in mixing bowl we're going to add some flour, and then I'm going to add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to just mix the ingredient that I add in the flour together before I add something else. Okay, now I'm going to be adding milk. Just keep in mind that we need a thin consistency of this mixture. Don't have to be thick, also you don't have to be thin, so have to be in between. So this is how it should be. Now I'm going to strain my potato and add into the mixture. So guys, you have to try your best to remove all the water that is in potato. Just squeeze. Once you're done, just add into the mixture. Now add garlic powder about 1 teaspoon, black pepper about 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, some fresh coriander, and lastly we're going to add spring onion. Now we're going to combine everything together. Our mixture is done. Okay, it's time for frying. Now I'm going to be adding some water in the pan. By the way, my pan is already hot, and I'm gonna just spread the oil all over the pan, where I'm gonna be frying my hash brown. Now I'm going to be placing the mixture in the pan and shape it. You can give any shape that you like, and you can make it smaller also. It really doesn't matter, but you have to flatten so that can be easy to cook. And your pan guys must not be too hot, because if it's too hot it won't be able to cook through. You're gonna just burn on top. Okay, so just cook until it's a light golden in both sides. Okay guys, my hash browns are done. Now I'm going to be placing in this paper towel because it has oil, so this paper towel is gonna help to just minimize the excess oil that is in hash brown. So continue cooking some more, and yes, we are done guys, we are done. Now you can serve and enjoy. I will suggest you to eat while it's hot. Oh, this hash brown is so yummy, guys. It's so delicious, special now that we are fasting after long day. This is just way to go. It's so yummy. Even if you're not fasting, it's a great snacks as well. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share this video. Thank you for watching.